Looking for some unique garden pond design ideas? Imagine transforming your garden into a serene oasis, a haven for wildlife, and a focal point for relaxation. Stay tuned as we dive into some of the most creative and beautiful garden pond design ideas. Firstly, consider the natural oasis design. This design seeks to emulate nature's serenity and spontaneous beauty. It incorporates various plant species and small wildlife, like frogs and dragonflies, to create a lively and organic atmosphere. Imagine having your own slice of wilderness right in your backyard. Next up is the Japanese Zen design. This style is renowned for its simplicity and tranquility. It's typically characterized by elements like koi fish, stone lanterns, and well-pruned plants. A Japanese Zen pond can transport you to a realm of peace and quietude, away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The mini waterfall design is another fantastic idea. The soothing sound of water cascading over rocks can create a relaxing ambiance. This design is perfect for those who enjoy the symphony of nature, offering a sense of escape and rejuvenation. For those who love a splash of color, the lily pad haven design could be the way to go. Beautiful lilies floating on the water surface can transform your garden pond into an artist's palette, providing a stunning visual feast throughout the year. Lastly, the rocky retreat is a design that utilizes stones and rocks to create a rugged and earthy look. This design can make your garden pond seem like a hidden gem amidst a rocky landscape, adding a touch of raw beauty to your garden. These are just a few of the many incredible garden pond design ideas that you can bring to life in your own space. Enjoyed our garden pond design ideas? Go ahead, bring these ideas to life in your garden and share your experiences with us. We'd love to see your creative flair. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more unique and creative garden design ideas.